Okay, so welcome friends, welcome to your channel Efficient Corporates, where we look for various tools which can make our work more productive and efficient rather than we being more busy. So in the last video, if you have seen, we learned about how we can make a screen recording app of our own. And I said that it is very useful at the time of handing over your assignment to someone else, or you want to teach someone that how a particular task is being done. But you all will agree that videos are not so formal and videos are not so supported in a corporate structure sometimes. So what is better? A better is that if I can screenshot and I can write that, okay, first has this screenshot, then click on this button, then click on this screenshot, then click on this button. If I can have something like this, then I think that is a more of an official and more professional way of sharing things rather than giving a video. So with the same thinking, I have brought today one app which is a steps recorder, and thankfully there is no Python today, no Python, no coding. It's a simple app which should be there in most of your systems, in most of the Windows 10 or Windows 8 as well, and Windows 11 as well. It is being supported. So the app is steps recorder. So we'll start with this app and see how this app works. Let's start. Okay, so as I said that we had last time seen how videos work and how we can make a video of the screen to show how to do a particular step. But this is a steps recorder this time. And steps recorder is an inbuilt app every Windows computers will be having, I guess. So in case you have it, congratulations. You can simply click on the app, and there's a button called start record. Once you have done the start record, now everything you click or every action you perform using your mouse or your keyboard, it will get captured. So I'm just opening my Outlook. I'm just opening a mail. So we will be seeing what are the steps for sending a mail. If I want to teach someone that these are the steps, so how will I teach? I have opened my steps recorder. I have done inbox, new email. I have done the to and the CC, and I'll do a subject, maybe test email, something like that. And I can write any subject, dear team, this is a test email, or whatever you like. So whatever we are writing or whatever we are doing, we are clicking on any button, we are clicking on any keyboard keys. So all that are being recorded, and it's now not being recorded in form of video. It's not a video. It will be recorded in form of a PDF file. It will be having all the screenshots. So it is a great app, I guess. And yes, you can apply your signatures or whatever you want to show. You can do all those things. And once you are done, you simply have to okay, send the email. We'll check whether the email has been sent, and we'll just see the sent items. Okay, the email is sent. Test email demo, it is sent. And now you can simply just do the stop recording, and as soon as you do the stop recording, you can see this PDF file, a beautiful PDF file has been generated. So step 1, user left click on the Outlook button. So all these things are written. Step 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, all these things are written. You left click on all button, all these things, and there are screenshots as well. So it works very perfectly with the Microsoft apps. It will capture screenshot, it will have those green highlights, it will do. So all these things will be done. And if you are working on a Windows application like Outlook or PowerPoint or Excel or Word, so definitely try this out. When you have to explain any steps to your senior or juniors, you can try this app. The app will list out everything with the screenshots, and at the last it will have all the steps written manually, like open this, open that, and then type this thing. It may be, and it is very detailed. Okay, so do try this out in your offices and see whether it help increase your productivity or not. And if you want to save it, you can simply press Control P, and then it will get printed, and then you can just do save to PDF, or you can simply click on the save icon as well. If you click on the save icon, it will be printed in some HTML type of folder. But I would recommend press Control P, and then you can save the file. Okay, so again, the app works very good for the Microsoft MS Office apps. And if it's not a Microsoft app, then the screenshots may not be so perfect as it is for the MS Office apps. So yeah, you can save the file anywhere you want. it will be stored in form of a zip file, and you can give any name you want. Or the other way around is to press Control P and then to have it in a PDF file. So yeah, so this much for this. So see, this app has made this particular file, and this file can be opened, and you can do all sort of things which you want. So I hope this app will be very useful for those who are like handing over their task to someone else, like when they are being assigned to a new assignment and they have to explain their work to someone else. They can have a steps recorder thing, click on certain steps, and they can have the PDF file that to do particular task, open this PDF file and do the steps as done in that file. So definitely check this out in your offices and do let me know your feedback on this. And for more such exciting videos, stay tuned with our channel.